The whole thing is just amazing. It's wonderful. It's so colorful. It's wonderful. Mainroad has been with me forever. And then we needed a container for our new washers and dryers. So I said, okay, you got it. But I had no idea it would be like this.
Mainroad's been working with Criticare for about 10 or 11 years now. They're a small group that needed some additional services and help, and we figured they'd be a good group to work with. We supply them a container, cut some doors in it so they could have access, cut some ventilation holes to make the washers and dryers work, provided some electricity, working with our partner at Transtronic. They put all the electrical components in, and then we needed somebody to paint the outside of the structure. So we've worked with a group in the past that works with troubled use and tries to do some rehabilitation. So we gave them carte blanche of what they can do, so we had no idea what they were going to come up with other than they saw what the Criticare website looked like. So there's lots of animals, trees, vegetation on the container. It looks really good, and they're really happy with the way it turned out.
I absolutely love this laundry facility. It's truly amazing what they've done. I never expected, when he said they were getting it painted, I never expected this. They outdid themselves.
I think it really stands out. It's front and center, very bright, very colorful. It really sets a happy tone to the whole area. What I hope is that we work collaboratively together, and we're part of that community involvement, helping out these nonprofit societies and working and help them, because they're very worthy causes that need some help. And we're there to help them out with that.
It's important to have those connections so that you can reach out.
This is probably our biggest community outreach project in the last number of years. We went right from the start of coming up with the container, doing the installation, doing the electrical, doing the painting, putting it in place and doing all that work.
Thank you, Mainroad. It's wonderful.
Mainroad is proud to support Criticare Wildlife Society.